This is a quick video showing how to add user code to a wizard screen. So I've created previously an invoice entry screen. I'm going to go in and modify it. I've added at the bottom already a field where it'll show the time and the date this item being edited was last saved by the user. Now I want this to record the time the item was actually filed, not necessarily when the item was created by the user. So I've added this data to the screen, but I need to make sure that when the user selects to file the item, this information is updated. So to do this, I can go into Edit Code, and there's a number of different code segments that can be added to every wizard field and to every wizard screen, and one of them is called File Time, number 7 here. So I'm going to go into File Time and add some basic code. You can select to use any editor you like, so you could use the standard pick editor, you could use Vi, or you can use Wizards editor as I'm using here, which gives you some nice graphical or easily editing commands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add two lines. One is going to say the time saved is equal to the time, and the second is that the date saved is equal to the date. Now the hash at the beginning of the lines tells Wizard to update the fields on the screen that I've named time.saved and date.saved with this code. The only drawback to this is that the file time code will be run every time the item is filed, even if it's not been updated. So I actually want to modify this to say only update if the user has modified the record. To do this, I'm going to put in an if dirty one, which is if the main item has been updated, it's been made dirty, then run these two lines. Now obviously you can put any code you like in here, but so this is a very simple example. So we'll now file that away. You'll see it on the line 7 file time, that code is there. We'll hit return. We'll now file this record and generate it. And now if I go into the screen and put in an existing invoice, at the moment it has no last time saved because that's new data. So I'm going to modify a line in the invoice. I'll change this quantity to 2, and then I'll save it. If I now go back into it, you should see the data in the bottom has been populated with the last date and time, the 11th of October, and at 9:34:27.